Hi everybody, it's Maria Willis here, and I'm so glad to have you joining me because today we are going to make the easiest shaker cards that you have ever made. We're going to do it using some new shaker pouches from Tonic Studios and the new My Monthly Hero kit from Hero Arts. This month's kit is birthday themed and is filled with adorable kitties and puppies. I'm going to start my card off by using this new streamer stencil, and I'm going to use that to ink blend the background. I'm using the magnetic board from Tonic Studios to hold everything in place, and then using Aegean, Orchid, and Summer Sky inks to ink blend my background. I'm starting with the Aegean, which is a green color, and normally I wouldn't mix green with purples, but that Aegean and the Orchid mix beautifully and make sort of a dusky blue. Now that I think I'm done ink blending my background, I'm just going to lift those magnets and take a peek under the stencil to see how I did, and I needed a little bit of extra color, so I just went ahead and added that. Now I'm going to add some spritzes of this white iridescent shimmer spray, and unfortunately the camera isn't picking it up, but it's really glimmery in real life. Now to make our shaker card today, we are going to be using these new shaker pouches from Tonic Studios. There are a variety of sizes, but this one's sized for A2 sized cards. I added a little more blue ink to my background, and now I'm going to lay out my images to make sure that I like the way that they look before I add that shaker pouch onto my card front. Now I'm just going to place that card front face down onto that acetate piece, and I'm going to go side by side, peeling off the backing tape and then adhering that acetate sheet to the back of my card. Once I have the sides and bottom adhered, I can add the shaker guts to my card. I'm going to use these little confetti bits that came with the My Monthly Hero kit this month. They're so adorable and they look like they should be on a cupcake somewhere. So they're perfect for this birthday card that I'm making. I decided to add some iridescent sequins from the icicle sequins mix. This has some clear sequins and some little star sequins, and they just complemented those birthday confetti sequins perfectly. So I added those in and just shook it around to make sure that I had enough guts inside of my shaker, and I'm really liking the way that that looks, so I sealed it up from behind, and now I have a shaker card front that is sealed perfectly, and it was so easy to make. Now I'm ready to put my card front together, so I'm arranging my images and my sentiments. Those sentiments came from the Party Animals set, and I used the It's Your Birthday and Get Wild because two cats diving headfirst into a cake is certainly wild, and I'm using foam tape to attach all of these to the front of this shaker card. I decided to add a few of those little confetti sprinkles to the front of my card, and that was it. Now I'm hoping you can see that this plastic sheet bows out a little bit, and it gives a lot of dimension to the card and a lot of room for the shaker guts to spill around inside of the card. Now let's turn this into a card. I'm going to do that by adding some adhesive tape around the edges of the back of the card and some liquid adhesive in the center. I like to put that adhesive tape on the acetate so that I know that it will stick well to my card base and there's no risk of any liquid glue leaking out of the sides. I'm going to press that down and pinch the edges firmly so that I know that all of my pieces are properly adhered together. Now, I had a ton of fun making this card, and I hope that this video might get you feeling like you want to make a shaker card too. If you're interested in any of the products that I've used today, just check the links in the description box below. If you liked my video today, I hope that you might consider subscribing so that I catch you the next time. Have an amazing day. Bye for now.